Hi, welcome to Pink Poodle Boutique. I am Lisa Braymeyer. I'm the owner. We are located in Hoopeston, Illinois. We specialize in home decor, as you can see behind me, fashion, and accessories. We have a little bit of everything for every age group. If you're looking for Valentines, we have a lot of Valentines right now for that special someone. We carry a variety of items from sympathy to wedding. We have a dog section, we have a farm section, we have lots of candles. Anything you could possibly want, we have. If we don't have it, ask and we might be able to get it for you.